Hey everyone, this is Arya. Today's video is extra special for us as I'm going to be presenting the one and only design studio of the firm Manish Shah and Associates. Now, we have officially hit the 30th year of our practice and have shifted to a new location, a new design studio based here on Karve Road, Pune. The theme chosen by us and designed by us in this space not only reflects our values but also the kind of work environment culture that we support. A rustic, minimal theme is seen throughout the space with multiple local focal points and unique markers for that each and every area. So, let's go see it, shall we? This natural brick wall and the distinctive focal point of the space, that is the Jharoka, have been added as a special memorable feature of all the palatial projects and specialties designed by the firm. Right as we enter here, we are hit by that earthy and rustic feeling, enhanced even more by this use of terracotta jali. It also serves as a focal point. We have the Kota matte finish tiles, an open ceiling and even some biophilic touches to soothe the eyes. You will also spot some very specifically curated artifacts throughout the whole space, some of which are even handmade. As you know, this profession requires a lot of samples from the vendors, for the clients, and even for the designers. So, we have designed a space specifically for that, for the vendors to update their collections and for the clients to also get a visual connection with the design. This is the conference room, a space to conduct client meetings, team meetings, and even internal discussions. The same theme from the outside has been continued inside with the lime-washed walls and a rustic finish laminates. But the looker here is this table. It is made out of a single wooden log. Can you imagine that? Of course, several artifacts adorn the space, including a handmade one. And this is the main studio where our designers work. As you can see, the same grey soothing theme has been continued here with a little bit of pops of colors. the director's cabin, the same material palette, the same theme, and yet such a soothing and calm environment to work in. They say that the vibe and the design of the cabin is usually indicating of the director in it, and I think this is the best example seen. We have the hand-done paintings and the wooden blinds adorning the room and the person in it. The stone finished tiles for the TV backdrop and the tabletop are such a good addition to the material palette, while the casual corner seating just shines through it.
Hey everyone, my name is Manish Shah. I am the principal architect of the firm Manish Shah and Associates. We are located in Pune and practicing since almost 30 years. We are a design-based architectural firm providing services across India. Our vision is to provide unique design solutions to our customers, specially curated to their tastes. Welcome to our new design studio.
The design of this new studio, as you have seen, minimal, soothing, yet classy, is also the firm's design ideology, you may have noticed, a point that is so clearly reflected through this new studio. And with that, we end today's video. Thank you so much for all the support. And for more such videos, please like, share and subscribe to Manish Shah & Associates. Until next time, bye-bye.